Hey, my Earth Science faithful, check it. Last video of the unit. Today we're going to work on locating the epicenter, and I'm going to do something. Let's see if this works. But I'm going to model this for you. So first, we need to pick a location and find the distance given to the epicenter. So I'll run you through that. And then we're going to use the distance key to set the compass to that distance. Okay. And then we're going to place the starting point of the compass on the desired city and draw a circle with the compass around that location. Then we're going to repeat the process for all the locations. And then we're going to locate the point where all the circles connect. That is the epicenter, and that's where we're going to mark it with an X. Okay? Sound good? So you take your time, write all that down. And I'm going to transition now. You should have been writing this on page 23. And then I'm going to transition to 24 to show you how to do this. I wish I had more examples in the packet because this only leaves one for you to do on your own now. You know what I mean? So let's see if I can make this work. But check this out. There's my page. Right? Oops. There's your page. That's what you're looking at. It says pick a location. So I'm talking about A, B, or C. Well, let's start with A, of course. We see that it's 2,500 kilometers. Okay. So basically, I'm going to use this key down here to see how wide, right, what the length of 25 kilometers is. So here's the trick. Ready? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 2,500, about halfway. I'll take my handy dandy writing implement. And I'm going to extend a line at 2,500. Okay. Because then what I need is, this is my focal point of the compass. And then see how this guy slides? And then you put your pen here, and that's how you make your circles. So what we need to do is start that right in the middle of the line. See how the line goes right through it? And then now, because I made these marks, it's real easy to get to that 25, and it's not easy to slide to the 25 and cover it up. And now I can line these guys up with that line. Good? So this distance from here to here is the 2,500. So around A is 2,500. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right on the dot of A. I'm going to put my finger over it because this guy spins around, right? Put my pen in there, and I'm going to make my circle. Mm-hmm. 2,500. Now, I guess if it moves, it's okay. You can always just pop this back right like that, and you're good. So there's 2,500. All right, so the next one says 1,200. So that's 1,000, or right, 100, and then 1, 2. So it's this guy right here. So I'm going to move this. I'll try to pick up the pace now. There, and I got my thing locked in at 1,200. And that's around B. Right, so now I'm going to draw my other circle. Good. I mean, it's not perfectly complete, but I'm crossing with A, so I'm good. And then the next one is 3,400. So 3,400 is here. I'm going to move this guy to 3,400. Pretty good. Go to C. Make my last circle. Okay, now This is the point where it all intersects. Now, my point, you see it has like a little bit of a triangle. So this is what I was taught. It's if it doesn't line up perfectly, go to the center of the triangle, and this is where you make your X. Okay? That is the epicenter of the earthquake. So we just followed basically all those rules. There's a little side pieces. Making these side lines is not part of the rules that are on the PowerPoint, but they're going to help. Flip the page. Now you got a different one to do with 4,000, 1,600, and 3,400. You guys go ahead and do that and check your work with my answers. And then after that, you got a few more multiple choice questions. And then that's done with the packet. We'll have some Castle learnings, and then we'll be on to labs.